Hi all, in this video lecture we will be discussing about the functional elements of an instrumentation system. Instrument. It is a device used to measure something. For example, temperature, pressure, etc. The above shows the functional block diagram of an instrumentation system. It consists of primary sensing element, variable conversion element, variable manipulation element, data transmission element, and data presentation element. Let's go into the functions of each block. The function of primary sensing element is to sense the input. Input will be fed to the primary sensing element. It is basically will be a transducer. The variable conversion element converts it into a measuring variable. The variable manipulation element manipulates, means some amplification is done onto the signal. The variable conversion and variable manipulation element together constitutes the data conditioning element. Variable conversion and variable manipulation together constitutes the data conditioning element. The manipulated variable is transmitted to the data presentation element with the help of data transmission element. Finally, the presentation element is used for display. It is display of the measured variable. Let us explain each block with an example. I take Bourdon tube as an example. It is a pressure measuring device. Let's move on to the different parts of Bourdon tube. Different parts of Bourdon tube are Bourdon tube, the C-shaped Bourdon tube, the adjustable link, rack and pinion arrangement, finally the pointer and the scale. It's working. When we apply pressure to Bourdon tube, the tube gets deformed. That is, it converts the applied force into equivalent displacement. Thus, Bourdon tube acts as both primary sensing element and conversion element. The closed end of the Bourdon tube is connected to a mechanical linkage, which acts as the data transmission element. The rack and pinion arrangement act as the variable manipulation element. And finally, the pointer and the dial act as the presentation element. This shows the block diagram of a Bourdon tube. Thus, in Bourdon tube, the primary sensing element and variable conversion element, the Bourdon tube itself acts as the primary sensing element and variable conversion element. The gearing system acts as the variable manipulation element. The mechanical linkage forms the data transmission element, and finally the dial and pointer act as the data presentation element. So let us conclude. In this lecture we have studied the functional elements of an instrumentation system with an example of pressure measuring device Bourdon tube.